So how do you accept the location request on iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, of course, one device or one person has to at first start sharing the location with you, or just start the process by looking that up, right? And you're gonna then get the notification on the other iPhone, right? So it's gonna look like this, that your device or whoever you have it saved as the name in the contacts wants to share their location with you. So do you want to share yours is the question. So you can tap on it. It will open up the page within Find My, right? And you can decide if you want to share it back, right? So you have the ability to don't share, which is like declining the invitation, I guess, or you can share it for 1 hour, share until the end of the day, or indefinitely. These are the options you have. You can obviously turn it off anytime you want, but that's how you can accept it and return it back, right? So of course, if you click on a don't share, then obviously you can still check out their location. They just don't have access to yours. So it just works out very, very well. It's all within the Find My application, which is from Apple. So it all works out. And yeah, if there is some issue that you have experienced, let me know about that below. Perhaps I'll make an updated video about it. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming video. So stay tuned for more, and I'll see you later.